Hi, I made this random quadratic test administrator primarily because I couldn't find anything online, so I utilized Python and Sympy to make one up. You'll see how it works in a second. Let's run two tests through our while loop. For simplicity, let's make the max exponent 2 and the coefficient 5. All right, there, for example, you have, what's that going to be? 2 times x, and it's just plus 4. And if you notice, we should get a true here. And this is basically just to hone your skills in factoring. And there you have it, true. All right, now it automatically runs the next polynomial. All right, we're going to, I don't know why it popped up that way, but let's get it wrong intentionally. 7. And if you notice, for example, it ends up being false. Now, obviously, the code could be refined a little bit. But however, though, here's the engine. I hope you enjoy. And again, I find it useful, and maybe you can too. Catch you guys in a bit. Bye.